Hello. Again this morning, I have since, I know you're not watching these videos like one after another, but that's how I'm recording them, so it feels really funny. Um, but I have since the last video, yesterday's video, gotten some coffee, walked around a little bit. I feel much more awake now. And I love the morning. It is so beautiful. These last, few days that we've had have been so amazing. I hope you're spending time outside while you can, before it starts raining again and all that. Um, but we'll cross our fingers that it doesn't and that it stays warm. I love it. Okay, anyway, back to math. So here's our number talk for today. And what it talks about, let me just read this little thing to you, this little blurb. Trisha and her friends decided to rent bicycles to ride on their weekend trip. Bikes and More charges $5 for each hour, and Adventure Bikes charges $10 for each hour. What? Find the cost of renting a bicycle from each store for 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours. Frankly, that seems like a no-brainer, but we'll do it anyway. So let's look. So 1 hour from Bikes and More is $5. So we will complete this table. I'm actually going to go into my snips to do it because I can make it bigger, I think. Or maybe I can't. We shall see, shan't we? Let's see. Oh my. Okay. I guess I can't make it bigger. That's unfortunate. Okay, well, let me figure this out. Sorry. So sorry. Okay, it's bigger here. Let me just make this full screen. Why not? All right, there we go. Oh, but now I don't have a pen. Oh, wow, we're running into so many technical issues today. I guess I'm just going to be drawing. Oh, I'm a dodo. Here we go. Ha ha ha. There we go. Okay, so Bikes and More. We are going to adjust this thickness because it's going to be huge. Okay, so for 1 hour, we know that Bikes and More charges $5. Oh boy, that's really skinny. So sorry. So sorry. Let's do this one. Okay, for 2 hours, okay, so if 1 hour is $5, then 2 hours, each hour is going to add $5 onto it, right? So 2 hours is going to be $10. Thanks, guys. That's awesome. Yes, $10. Okay. And then 3 hours is going to be $15. Yes, awesome. Because it's adding 5 each time. And then 4 hours is going to be $20. Good job, Bikes and More, for making affordable bike rental. Okay, let's look at Adventure Bikes. Adventure Bikes, $10 an hour to $5 an hour? Good golly. Okay, so 1 hour at Adventure Bikes, $10. 2 hours. Remember, $10 every hour, so 2 hours is going to be $20. Good job, guys. My neighbors probably think I am crazy. Okay, 3 hours. We're going to add 10 more dollars on. 3 hours, $30. And 4 hours, $40. Whoa. Okay. Now, let's look down here. Generate ordered pairs. Let each x coordinate represent the number of, what do you guys think the x coordinate will represent? I think it will represent the number of hours. Sound good? All right. I'm just going to write the abbreviation, HRS. Awesome. Let each y coordinate represent the, if you said cost, pat yourself on the back. Okay. So the y coordinate is going to represent the cost. So let's look down here. Let's create our ordered pairs. So right here, we've got 1, which represents the hour. And this is at Bikes and More. So 1 hour is going to be $5. Okay? 2 hours is going to be 10. And this is how we're creating our ordered pairs. Okay? The X represents the hours. The Y represents the cost. Okay? All right, 3 hours, 15. 4 hours, 20. I'm sure you guys could have done that in like 0.2 seconds. Awesome. Okay, sorry, there was a fly in my face. Okay, so now we're going to go over to Adventure Bikes and do the same thing. So we know 1 hour is $10. And it just goes up by 10s. So 10, 20, 30. Oh, let's see if I can do this in my little videos here. Okay, 40. Woohoo! Okay, so we are good to go, my friends. Now let's go down. Oh, sorry, there's nothing else there. That's all. That's all. So we're just looking at data. We're looking at data entry and how we can put it into ordered pairs and make sense of it, right? So if we were to create, a graph of that, we could let's see. Aha. Okay, so here it is. So here's the graph right here. So it says the graph shows that the difference in costs between the two stores blank as the number of hours increase. Okay, so do you think it stays the same? Do you think, the difference in cost increases as the number of hours increase? Well, let's look. So we have our data. Okay. We have our data. Let me just kind of move this over. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, so here's our data. And we're going to graph Bikes and More. Okay, let's graph Bikes and More. So if we graph Bikes and More, we're going to have... Hold on, sorry. I just want a pen. Oh me, oh my. Let's see if this is what I want. No, it's not. Hey, that's what I want. Okay. So, I am so sorry, guys. There's just so much technical stuff that you can't plan for. I apologize. Okay. So, we knew that 1 hour was $5 for Bikes and More. Okay. All right, we're just gonna have to use our memory. We knew that it went up $5 per hour for Bikes and More. Okay, so here we go. 2 hours was 10 because it went up 5, right? And keep in mind, guys, these are ordered pairs that I'm graphing. Okay. Maybe I should take a screenshot real quick. Let me do this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me do this. New. And I'll get our ordered pairs so we can like not be working from memory. All right. That works for me. I hope that works for you guys. And we'll go back. Hello. And we'll put this up. Okay. So then we're looking at this ordered pair right here. 315. And we know that represents 3 hours, $15. Okay. Of course, it's going to go away. And then 4 hours is $20. 420. Okay. 4 over. Remember that first number tells us how far we're walking. The second number tells us how high we're going, up and down. Okay. So 420. All right, so this is bicycles and more. Okay, now let's look at the other store, which I can't remember the name of. It is, not on my screen. It is Adventure Bikes. Okay, so let's look at Adventure Bikes. Adventure Bikes is $10 each hour. So our first ordered pair is 110, 1 over on the x-axis, 10 up on the y-axis. Okay, 2 hours, it's going to go up by how much? $10, right? So 2 hours is going to be, remember, $20. 3 hours is going to be $30. 4 hours is going to be, $40. Okay, so let's look at this data that we have on our graph. So we can see, and I'm going to change my color of the pen, right? So this line is bikes and more. No, is Adventure Bikes. This line is bikes and more. So what their question is that the difference in cost is that between the two stores, as the number of hours increases, look what happens. Look at how much more 2 hours is, okay? 2 hours is $10 more. Okay, do you see that? It's $10 more. 3 hours is, let's look, 15 and it's 30. It's $15 more for 3 hours. 4 hours is, it's $20 more. So it goes up how much per hour? Okay, so here it's $5 more. Here it's, it is $10 more for this hour. For 3 hours, it is, sorry, there's a ladybug on my coffee. For 3 hours, it is $15 more. So 5, 10, 15. And here, it is $20 more. 5, 10, 15, 20. So each hour you use the more expensive store, your cost is increased by $5 for each hour. Okay, that's not $5 total. It's $5 for each hour. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay? So what they're asking is the way that we would fill this in. The graph shows that the difference in cost between the two stores increases as the number of hours increases. It goes up by $5 each hour. Okay, so we'll just make a little upward arrow to signify increases. All right, I have kept you guys far too long today. I am so sorry. I